Hey guys, it is me Ken. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make yourself at home. You know, sit, watch, enjoy the show. The show is me, if you're wondering. Please take your assigned seating and we'll get on with the story. But before we get to the whole story, please hit the subscribe button. Go ahead. Go ahead, I'll wait. Got it? Cool. So let me tell you the story that time I worked with literal legends.
Good morning, my beautiful babes. It's the second week of my stage here in Toyo. I'm really excited because today we're actually doing an event for Kawate-san and Margarita Forrest. She's my mom. Deal with that. Really excited today because we're gonna do an event. And I'm cooking next to them and it's gonna make me so excited. I got the permission to vlog at work, so I'm really excited. Hopefully I can get footage. I'm not gonna vlog of course during service because it's so unprofessional, but before service I get to like shoot some things.
I worked with Chef Jordan Navarro, Margarita Forrest, and Hiroyuki Kawate. If you don't know these people, let me give you some background. Chef Jordan Navarro recently won Miele's One to Watch Award, also owner of Toyo. Amazing chef, badass. Hiroyuki Kawate, number 3 in the 50 Best of Asia and number 59 in the World's Best. Margarita Forrest, Best Female Chef of Asia 2016. She also is a restaurant mogul. Not to mention, she's a knight. Like, literally knighted in Italy. Like, hello, mother. Okay, so if you're not familiar with my backstory, I am also a chef. Well, used to be. It has been a dream of mine to go work at Toyo and not to mention like meet Margarita Forrest and all that stuff. And I got to meet her literally screaming internally the day she walked into the restaurant. It was really random too because it happened like the day before, a few days before the event. She came in and I was like, wait, that's mom. Why is she here? It was amazing to work with all these chefs because they were super talented and very inspiring. Also, they were super chill. Like, they were just so nice and so personable. It's so cool because you feel the magnitude of their presence, but you don't feel the presence of their egos. So the clips I'm showing you now is from the event called Six Hands, and it was a collaboration between these 3 amazing chefs, Margarita, Kawate, and Chef Jordy. Look, it's Dad. The event was a tasting menu and it was I think catered for about 80 people. The moment the tickets went on sale, it was like sold out. It's crazy, and we had like people calling in trying to like buy out and say like we're gonna pay extra or double just to get a seat. Toyo is one of the best restaurants in Asia. Recently just won Miele's One to Watch Restaurant Award. I worked there for a couple of months when I was living in the Philippines. Working as a chef and working in kitchens here in LA, I worked events and catered for like, you know, buyouts with celebrities and all that stuff. It was fun, but by far this particular event is my favorite. It was just not stressful. It was still like pressured. You're still doing things because, you know, you have to make sure that the guest experience is great, the food comes out timely, and since that it's not a la carte, it is a tasting menu, so everything is timed perfectly. So if this goes out, this comes next, so you know, it's like a symphony and we all have parts to play. You have to know when your part is and you have to do it perfectly and on time. So there's that pressure to perform and there's that pressure to get the dishes out and do it beautifully and do it, you know, with finesse and all that stuff.
Y'all are animals.
Toyo had an open kitchen that you can see the dining room. So in a way, the guests were able to interact with the kitchen and the kitchen get to interact directly with the guests. And plus, since the chefs were there and they're just having fun.
Gawing sena ka.
Sige, parang pag pumunta ka sa mga bundok-bundok, biglang gaganon yung mga bata. Yung mga tumatalon dun sa likod. Look, everybody's videoing.
Jordy, Kawate, and Margarita are just having a blast. You could feel that joy radiating from the entire place. So the kitchen was pressured, but we were not like, it didn't feel like a regular line that you're like toiling away. It didn't feel like I'm just pumping out food and feeding it to people and then that's it. It felt like a giant party and we're cooking for everyone.
This is probably the most fun event I've ever worked in.
Yeah, it was such a surreal and beautiful moment. And also, to top it all off, Chef Pepita from Lechon Diva came in with a suckling pig stuffed with rice.
1, 2. Wow!
Amazing. We ate the lechon with some of the guests.
It's so good. Olive, say hi. I love her. Anyways, I'm gonna go eat. So, bye.
It was just a really cool, fun event. So working this whole Six Hands event made me realize that you could still be in a very high rank kitchen or like a high, you know, marked kitchen, still being unpretentious. Like it was still very grounded. Everyone was having fun. Plus like the food was amazing. Having to actually try the food was a big plus working the whole event. Chef Kawate made this chocolate omelette and he showed everyone. It was so cool. It was basically like a little omelette, like a little egg with chocolate. It was a dessert omelette and it was delicious. He also made lechon kawate, which is like a riff on lechon kawale, which is like a fried lechon. Super delicious. There's also like some fun things that we did, like we got banana leaves, we stuffed some rice in it. Oh, I don't know. Basta! Basta, it was so cool.
So the event is now done and we're wrapping up and cleaning. Exhibit A.
Okay, girl. I'll pull it up with on the internet. Yeah. The internet said. Don't believe it.
It's raining really bad. I actually miss the rain, so this is great for me. I have to go home and sleep because tomorrow we're gonna get some breakfast with my mom. With mother. Right now, I'm trying to figure out how to get home in this rain. But we're just here drinking and hanging out. Look at those lovebirds.
Well, that's all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please check out my Patreon, patreon.com/KennenNavarro. I'm working on some really cool stuff. I'm also uploading some few extra clips there in Patreon, so check that out. Should I tell you what I'm working on, or should I? Nah. Well, we'll get there. You'll just see it. It'll just come out. You know, I will give you like a teaser thing. I'll tell you right beforehand, and it's gonna be great. It's gonna be awesome. I'm super excited for this, and I think you should be too. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!
Oh my gosh.
We're gonna have no exit or
Yeah, they're just...
no have no exit, but very slow.
The drain system is very slow.